Our dear Sangi, Stevie G, has sent in a song for us to listen to for show and tell. And if you ever want to submit something of your own, do check out the show and tell submission form in the link tree in my bio. I'm going to turn down our background music so we can have full attention to Stevie G's song. Excuse me. Stevie G, you had written that this is another old song of yours, made about 2-ish years ago, when you believed that bad things would happen to you, sort of, if you didn't meditate and discipline yourself often. The cave, quote unquote, is basically your inner world where Source, aka who you really are, resides. You now just see mastering the mind through yoga and meditation is just crucial in having an actual pleasant life experience. Just as crucial. It's out on all platforms. Enjoy. Let us listen.
I think I might be moving too slow, but maybe it's just that I don't know where to go. Cycles crumbling, they were getting really old, but I don't know what I still have to let go. So we're just gonna ride the wave. In God's arms I do feel safe, but God is waiting in the cave. If I don't go in, there's a price to pay. But hey, it's okay, I'm actually seeing the way, not a way, but the way. If you know what I mean, then follow me. Listen to God and you'll be set free. Open up for amazing opportunities. Just live in ease, shouting grace, feeling the peace. Still learning not to react, but there's progress, not doing bad. Letting it be, just letting it pass. No need to feed, it's time to fast. Yeah, I have to fast, 'cause I choose to keep moving fast. Push down the throttle, moving in a dash. Removing the egos, yeah, removing the trash. I'm making all this bliss last. Amen.
Thank you for listening, everyone. And thank you, dear Stevie G, for sharing that. All of your songs come from such a personal place within you. And I'm always grateful for your vulnerability and for your enthusiasm in expressing your journey with us all. I love the vibe. Very relatable. May we all find that which is waiting in the cave.